Hello everyone, welcome back to premium course Structural Design BAC. Now let's continue to model Gable column to support the Gable frame. Click on the Sense, Contents, Show Architectural Grids. Click on the Structure, yeah, and Frame to show the frame 1. Click on the frame 1, double click. Okay. Click on Model, Columns. Select the steel grade S275. S275. Scroll down. You can keep the design section order HE beam columns. Change the section. HE, yeah, HE 240A. Scroll down 240A. Select. Click the best point and click the second point. Okay. Again, click the first point and click the second point. Come back to Structure 3D and press the right mouse to rotate view. Use the window select, use the cross select to select the Gable column. Right click, copy, click the best point and click the second point. Okay, now we complete the Gable frame. We complete the column and raster, purlin, girth, and pressing system. Everything is okay. We will continue to the next stage. Thank you for your watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to save this model. Thank you.